Well, the mission today is to go to see a friend of mine. He runs rather good clock shop, clock repairers. He is a proper horologist. He can make clocks, he can make replacement parts for clocks. And I'm going to see what reaction we get when I offer him that rather lovely blue china dog clock. He might well throw me out of the shop, but then again he might see something in it that perhaps I've missed. So that's what we're doing this morning. It's just a short walk from where I live. Hell of a nice guy, good sense of humour, and a very, very skilled clock and watch repairer. Oh, well, I'm in the clock shop, and at the counter is John, who's about to be amazed at the wonderful clock that I'm going to show him. As you can see, he's already got some rather special clocks. Some of them very old, some of them very valuable, some of them not so old, but rather wonderful. So what I'm going to do is, standing at the counter all keen and excited, and I'm going to give him this clock and we'll see what sort of reaction we get. So there we are, sir.
Oh my god, that's disgusting, isn't it? That is oh dear.
So not a valuable antique then?
A waste of a good bit of china, that was. That is grim, isn't it? I do not like that at all.
Neither do I.
Is that a French perchance?
It is, yes. This is the front of John's shop, and as you can see, he's got some very, very lovely things in the window. And these are clocks that are for sale. All of them will be in perfect working condition at the time they're sold. As I say, John is a proper horologist, and if it wasn't working when he got it, it will be before he sells it. So there are some very, very lovely things.